YouTube, what is up? Now, if I seem a little dead, the reason behind that is I just came from doing a style and wash on my hair in the morning. So, splashing myself with cold water is not, ideal for the morning, but whatever. As well as I haven't looked at the chart since Friday. And it's been a busy week for me a little bit. But as you guys can see, I'm gonna stop ranting. We went completely opposite of the prediction that I had on Friday, and the reasoning behind that was Federal Powell was speaking. There's a glare right here. I don't know where it's coming from, but I'm about to just do like this. So, anyways, there was Federal Powell speaking. Now, it wasn't a big move, but you could see it was heavy consolidation. I was expecting a move to the downside, bada 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 bada. But yeah, we got screwed. Because as you guys know, I do not look at news before I trade or make these predictions at least, so I can keep it as raw and as like to my what am I trying to say? As clear cut to the plan, the trading plan or strategy that I have without having any kind of bias towards what I'm thinking of. But there is going to be heavy news on Tuesday and Thursday. I do not recommend trading. As well as it is Monday today. So I also don't recommend trading, but hey, you do what you want to do, man. So we're going to start off with this MOG right here. Super simple. You can see that it consolidates right here. I might actually delete that and bring this here. So this is that MOG that we're looking at. I can actually color this a dark red so I know. Yeah, I think I'm going to start doing that. If two MOGs overlap, we're going to make one MOG that's going to be a dark red color so we know that it's a consolidated color. Let's go ahead and move this right here. Sweet. To start it off, it looks like we have a 15-minute breakout to the top side, which, as you guys know, my boy, I do not trade Mondays. And I'm telling you guys this so y'all know, don't trade Monday. There's always somebody, I know there is, that's trading the Mondays and they're like, bro, I'm losing money. This consolidated prices, bro, is hitting me, bro. Hey, man, I don't know what to tell you, bro. I did not mean to grab this, but this is actually what I was looking for a few seconds ago. High right here. And we got a low right here. It looks like we are moving towards that high. Let's go back on the 5 minute here. Bada bing, bada bing. We got a low right there. And a high right here. And I'm pretty sure there's somebody that thinks to themselves, hold on, I could actually slightly pivot that. And I'm pretty sure there's somebody that thinks to themselves, why does Evs place these lines on the chart, right? Hold up. Let's see if this is what's causing that. That's the crunchiest sound I've ever heard, and the glare is still there. Maybe it's from this. No, it's not. So it's just an odd glare. I don't know. But anyhow, somebody's probably thinking, why does Evs place these lines? First of all, it's so I can keep track of highs and lows and visually see breakout structures to the T, as well as it's easier for you guys to visualize what I'm talking about. So all these lines and all these graphs and all that's mostly so I can visualize it because I've only been trading for a year. I'm not to the point of where I kind of am. I could look here and be like, that's a high, that's a low, that's a high, that's a low, that's a high, that's a low, high, low, high, low. Like I can do that. But if I'm doing just like how I just did it, you're probably like, what is this guy talking about? So that's the main reason why it's so chaotic on my screen so you guys can see color coded, by the way. This is a 15 minute, this is a 15 minute, this is an hour, this is an hour, this is the hour. trend lines. This is the 5 minute trend line. This is the 15-minute trend line. This is a MOG. Come back here. This is a 5 minute. Like, it's easy and appealing to the eyes as well because it's just a bunch of colors. Yeah, a little bit monotone, but like that's how I like my graphs. So 5 minute here. I don't see any breaking structures, just heavy consolidation here. It looked like we had a move earlier in the day at around here. We actually have an orange folder today, but I don't really care about orange folders as much. But like I said, we did have a slight move right here, looks like, but we just lost all form of momentum. And it looks like we're about to break structure to the top side right now. Let's look over here. We might be trying to tap into this MOG. Yeah, it's bouncing back and forth. Pause. Let's go in the hourly. Where's my other line? Dude, I lose lines like I don't even know what. I don't even know how I lose lines. There we go. So I already had lost it before. Okay, makes sense. No breakage structures on the hourly at all. We do have that one MOG right here though, but we already tapped fully into that, it looks like. What are we looking like on the daily? Probably bullish. Yeah. Bullish on the daily. So yeah. Funny enough, I could possibly take a trade here. I believe what I'm gonna start doing is if I wouldn't take a trade, I'm just not gonna graph it. Nah, I need to practice. Never mind. I was about to say I'm not gonna graph it at all or mark it out, so you guys know I'm not gonna take a trade that day. But I feel like it's more beneficial to you guys for me to, or for you guys to see how I think, to make a trade out of nothing. Which I wouldn't do that, but I'm saying like you'll be able to know and see it, as well as it gives me practice because I can see where I messed up and where the market moved, contradicting where I said it was going to move, if that makes sense. So, not a lot to say today. I'm not going to lie to you. It's a Monday. What did you expect? There's no depth in the market right now. But what I am expecting, oh my gosh, my voice has been raspy for like 5 weeks. I'm dying, man. Pause. No, I'm not dying. But what I'm looking for right here is something similar to like, say like this. Cha-ching. Let's target this high right here. And then I guess this is our all-time. This is very, 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 very unlikely to happen, actually. I could probably do something more like... probably only have 2 take profits today. Because I don't see price possibly passing all of this. That's some like Powell speaking kind of movements. Why is this red line still here? I could actually use that. I'm looking for like anything below this line. We're exiting. We enter off a 15 make whoa. We're entering off a 15-minute breakage structure or that 5-minute that 5-minute breakage structure. I believe we already got our 5. We did. You can see it's like barely above it, but this one's kind of, it'll touch above. But the 15, we're waiting for that 15 to close before above this. If it closes above this, the second that it closes, I'm taking that trade. Yes, sir. What am I looking for market to do today? On a real note, I'm looking for something more like that's what I think is going to happen. There's so much more liquidity down here. But let's look at the trend real quick. Yeah, we're literally on a downtrend. You can see we hit this high right here. When was this? Last week? Yeah. Last week we hit this high right here. Then we had the leg down right around here, it looks like. Yeah. It looks like the leg down was this one. Boom. Lower low, lower high. Lower low, lower high. Lower low, lower high. Looks like we were trying to fight back right here with a leg up. Right here, it looks like. And then we just lower low, lower high, lower low. Now, what this right here, let me go ahead and mark that out for you guys. Wrong thing. Now, what this right here could mean is there's another trend shift, which would be very, very soon. But I mean, hey, it happens. So I'm looking around. I'm seeing that there's a trend. Okay, we come here. This was absolutely crazy, though. That right here was weird. And we're still in this mog right here that we already cleared out. I think I saw that on the hourly. We were talking about that. But yeah, nah. Let me see if I can find another example of like a trend and then a break into another trend. I think this is one right here. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, cool. We're going to circle this right here. So now let's compare this to this right here. You can see, oh, I'm messing up here. You can see we're on a downtrend, like a weird uptrend that breaks the structure right here. And then we continue to downtrend. And we're most likely going to skyrocket. Most likely. We go here, we're on the downtrend, weird uptrend. How long did this take? 3 days? Yeah, just about. But this was the weekend. So you can see downtrend, weird like uptrend to break structure. This was a high uptrend though, so you already knew. You should have already known off rip. This right here is just one big bullish candle. You should have known. But once this hit, we got that leg up. Boom. Trend shift. Let's see if we can find another one. Perfect example right here again. This right here. Ooh, downtrend. Look, lower low. We're low key consolidation right here. Lower low, lower high. Boom, leg up. Whatever this thing is, trend shift. Break structure, trend shift. Boom. We're up. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Boom. This weird thing once again. It's like a weird consolidation period, but it's like not consolidation at the same time. Boom, we get another one right there. What happens? Trend shift. Maybe I just found something here. It's like consolidation, trend shift. Boom, consolidation. Break its structure to the downside. Right here, break structure to the downside. Boom. Trend shift. Boom, consolidation. Break structure to the upside. Boom, trend shift. It's like clockwork, man. Let's go here. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Consolidation. Leg up right here. Consolidation, boom, uptrend. Another one right here. Bro, you can find these everywhere on the 15-minute. I'm just now like putting this together because I've never really just like done an analysis this hard on this specific thing. But like when you look for it, you can really just find it anywhere. Look, uptrend right here, consolidation. We got another one right here in 25 seconds. The leg down right here that started the trend shift. Boom, uptrend. Starting from here. Look, downtrend, another one right here. And like, bro, I'm not even. For those people watching this, bro, you just got a gold mine if you didn't know all this. I didn't even really know all this. I knew it, but I didn't know it. Boom, downtrend. Boom, weird consolidation period. This is a big black candle here. Pause. BBK. Boom. Whatever this consolidation thing is, leg up. Boom, uptrend. Boom, another consolidation. Chopping it up. Break the structure down here, leg down. Boom, downtrend. Boom, another consolidation right here. Leg up, leg up. Boom, uptrend. Now, this is a smaller one, but it still counts. Uptrend. Boom, consolidation, leg down, break structure right here. No more lower lows, no more lower highs. No more higher highs, no more higher lows. Boom, break structure right here. Downtrend, break a structure right here, leg up. Boom, uptrend. Let's scroll to a random time frame. I can't even see anything. Am I magnified? I've got to be. I lost the charts. All right, let's see. Let's just scroll to a random one, like right here. It's literally everywhere, bro. This is actually like hurting my head. We got one right here. And they're so apparent. Like you could just see them. Usually, I believe it starts at a Friday, right? Yeah, like Thursdays, Fridays, and it ends at like Mondays. Oh, this one ended from Thursday to Thursday. I don't know. Tweaking. This is just one day, 2 days. Or am I tweaking for real? I don't know. I'm not even about to focus on it. Anyways, downtrend. We had an uptrend here. This is another consolidation, but it's small. So we got leg down right here. Boom. That had to be Powell. It had to be Powell. Who else could it have been? Did not mean to press that. But boom. Downtrend. Break his structure. Leg up to the upside. Right here. Boom. New structure. Now this and this look very similar. It's not the same thing, buddy. It's not the same thing. No, it's not the same thing. There has no trend. There hasn't been a trend that's formed yet. Yeah, there's a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, like higher low, like, but it has to be an apparent trend. Like if I zoom out right here, this is an apparent trend. This is not an apparent trend. Kinda, but like, no. Kinda ain't cutting it, bro. Boom. Another consolidation, but we're still on an increase. This all looks like consolidation if you're very zoomed in. Like if I zoom in like this, looks like heavy consolidation. Second I zoom out, you can see some movement. Let's go to another random time frame. What did I circle down here? This was probably me looking at breaker structures. Or no, doji candles. Yeah, I remember this. Hammers and dojis. Because that was when I was doing TJR's bootcamp. Boom. Let's see. Higher high. Higher low. Higher high. Higher low. Higher high. Break structure. Right here. This is the leg down. And you're probably wondering, how do you know the leg down? You look for the candle, or in this case, the bearish candle that had to do not milliseconds, but minutes, hours, days, whatever, before a big move. So you can see we had an uptrend. Something broke structure. So you're gonna look at what candle broke structure, and that's your leg down. It's this one right here. You can see this is why we use the lines as well. Let's just use right here. Boom. Boom. Now you can apparently see that it was the one that broke the structure. We started on Wednesday. We're chopping. Boom. This is the 15-minute, 15-minute bearish. Boom. Break structure right here. Now everything else follows below that line until we break another structure, which it looks like right here. Let's see. It was, yeah. We've got this candle to the upside. Let's bring this one here, and this is our downside. You can see we broke structure off of this candle right here. Boom, break structure, trend shift. Boom, we break another piece of structure right here, like right down here. But that's another one of them consolidation areas. When there's, okay, what I believe is happening is when there's two mogs, when two mogs are formed, a trend shift happens. That's what it's basically looking like to me. Notice this right here, that's a mog. This right here, that's a mog, right? Stay with me. This right here, that's a mog. This also is a mog. Stay with me here. This is a mog, and this is a mog. You might not be able to see that. Hold on, let me zoom in. You see what I'm talking about? This mog was something that I just created while I was looking at charts and thinking, but it's looking like it's a lot more important because it's just liquidity, huge sections of liquidity. Let's go again. Look, it's before and after every single one of them. That's a mog. That's a mog. This is a small mog, but this is a mog. Let's see. This one technically doesn't count, but does it though? Uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. Technically it does, but it's not like a crazy, but we're still gonna do it. Mog, mog. So it looks like this usually happens within 1 day span. What can I call this? I need names. I'm gonna let y'all think of a name. This is gonna be one of the longer videos that I make for these daily analysis, but we just found some groundbreaking some groundbreaking stuff right here, man. I'm not gonna lie. What are we gonna call this? So it's a mog into another mog, but it's a breakage structure right here. So it's not a breakage structure. I mean, yeah, it is a break structure. So you go doing downtrend, you hit one of these things, and then you swap positions. Like a Uno reverse card or something. So I'm gonna need y'all to think of a name because I'm not really that creative, as you can see from the whole mog. But the mog came from the looks maxing community. So I was like, market open, because it always happens at market open, and it's a gap. So market open gap. Originally, it was market open value estimation, which was too long, which was called a move. But I was like, that's too generalized. Everybody can call anything a move. So MOG, market open gap, or market open value, but that's still move without the E, or MOV. But yeah, you get another one right here. But this one didn't change the trend for real. Yeah, it kind of didn't. This one did though. Kinda. I don't know. This is weird. But this looks like this is about 85% accurate. This is actually, I think I'm gonna get a new thumbnail for this episode, for this one video in specific, because it's so different, because we just found a new strat. Not a new strat, but a strat to add on. Market open, movement. This one doesn't have the market open to market open, but it still has the movement. This one has the market open to market open. This is actually kind of cool. Boys, I think we found a way out. We found the 100% accurate Okay, so now in this case, we got our uptrend. It's looking like that was it. And if you guys notice, boom, boom, trend shift. So I'm actually gonna do something heinous right here and flip this upside down. But first, I need to take a picture. All right, sweet, sweet, sweet. So we're looking at, oh shoot, I took the picture without using my thing. I'm looking at this for the week. This is the weekly prediction right here. Let's zoom out. I could probably move this like right here. All right. All right, buddy. All right, that's for the week. Then we're looking at the Fibonacci, like these. Drag this down to like these. Then we're looking at take profits here and here on the far end. And then we got to have a medium here. That boy is talking out his neck. Aw. Bro, I know y'all heard that Kendrick verse. I'm not going to lie. Kind of hit. Now we can go ahead and move this. I'm saying if we hit like right here, I'm getting out. I think the new pose is just going to be wherever I think market going. So a thumb is down or a thumb is up. I mean, let's get it, bro. All right, I'm going to end the video here. We've been at this for, I think, like 20 minutes now. 20 minutes plus. Also, there is a new video coming on Wednesday that I think will, get a few of y'all happy, but I ain't gonna leak too much. It's nothing crazy, but like, But anyways, I'll check you guys later. Love you guys. Peace.